Hi friends, wish you a warm welcome. Today our topic is to understand what is basic of acupuncture. Fine. Sorry. So friends, today our topic is basics of acupuncture. So let's understand something about basics of acupuncture. Acupuncture is a part of traditional Chinese medicine. It is also known as TCM. Now to understand about the basic is that the whole universe is functioning on an energy, and this energy as per TCM is known as Qi. So this energy or this Qi is said to have a network with our body, our brain, our microorganism to function. In simple, to functioning of our body. Fine. So this Qi in Ayurveda is also called prana. This Qi in homeopathy is known as life force. So maybe any pathy, the main thing is the body is functioning on an energy, and this energy level is known as Qi in TCM. Now this Qi, anywhere if you see, the energy base is on positive and negative. Positive and negative. Fine. So this positive and negative energy working in a perfect phases, in a balanced phases, gives an energy and does the functioning of the body or anything. Like you say, electric current, there is a male or female, negative or positive. When the two currents are perfectly moving and compromising each other, everything is working fine. If there is disbalance, there is a short circuit or anything, and your energy will be stopped over and it won't be working. Same way, what is negative energy is male, positive is female. You can say earth, heaven, dark, light, slow, fast. So everything which is compromising each other and making the things function is said to be an energy, and that is known as Qi in TCM. Our modern science also believe that the body functioning energy, and they call it bioenergy. So the whole circle is working on an energy. This circle has two parts. One is positive, one is negative. Fine. Now each is connected with each other. So here and here, there is a negative in the positivity and there is a positive in negativity. So the Chinese people have made a yin yang diagram. Fine. So positive is said to be yang, negative is said to be yin. So in this yin yang, when they are balancing with each other in our body, if they balance with each other, it is said to be good health. Any disbalance of energy, either of the energy is less or more, then that is a disbalance and it can be a bad health. So in acupuncture, there are specific points which are stimulated to bring back this balance. Now, how does it work? Just imagine that how does it work in your body? Your body is a city. Fine. Just imagine your body as a city. And in city, there are many roads, pathways, underground, overhead. So here, all this traffic moves, all this traffic moves, all this traffic moves around. Supposingly, if there is a problem over here, then the traffic just behind this is at halt. So the traffic going towards this way is stopped. So this is known as stagnant. Fine. Or otherwise it is also known as choke up. So this stagnant energy is there. Some of the vehicles may move back. They may reverse back. So the energy which is supposed to reach over at this place, this area, is not reaching from here because it has been obstructed over here. In acupuncture, what we do? We just take this area to the side, or either we get it repaired immediately by help of inserting or pricking needles on that particular area and make the traffic move. Fine. Same example can be given in another way. Is your body is a city. Fine. It has pathways as shown. Below this pathway you can take it as skin. Below this pathway there are pipelines. Some of them can be drainage. Some of these pipelines can be good water, etc. So what happens when all these pipelines, they have some manholes or gutters, you can see. These are manholes or gutter. Fine. So if there is a choke up in this area, what normally we do? We take a huge stick, put it in this area up to this manhole, from this manhole to this manhole. So whatever choke up is there in between is been removed. We thrust and pull. Certain times we thrust in the same place, we put a stick and just push and pull. and the choke up over here is cleared. So again, after this choke up being cleared, the function of water, the flow of water or drainage, everything moves properly. Fine. Same principle is there in our body. There are manholes, there is a stagnancy, there is a choke up over here. We put a specific needles on that particular specific points and we remove this choke up, and finally the flow starts back, the energy starts back, and you are back to good health. Maybe because of this there is a pain, maybe because of this there is a swelling, maybe because of this there is certain type of inflammation. So when this is cleared out, the inflammation or swelling or pain will subside and ultimately you are okay. So only thing you have to remember is yin and yang. These are the two energy which are balancing each other. So if this balance is gone, if this is increased, then yang is increased. So that can be some heat or other problems. If yang is increased, then heat problems are there. If yin is increased, then it makes the body cold, the circulation becomes less, the flow of energy becomes less, the person becomes weak. So this is the basic thing you have to understand. Meanwhile, we should understand about the chi also. This chi is positive and negative. This is yang, this is yin. So in next video we'll understand about chi, because there are different type of chis, different type of energy in our body. Some energy helps to make the energy flow, some is defensive energy, defensive chi. There are certain chi, when we are born, we inherit that chi from our ancestors. Then after getting birth, we inherit that chi, other chi, from the air, then from the food. So each of the energy is different. So each of the chi is different, and I'll explain you in the next video what is chi, what types of chi are there, and how it functions and how it helps our body. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly like and share my video. If there is any queries or anything, you can just call me or WhatsApp me on 981 9494 941, or either you can just email me or WhatsApp me on orthocarecenter.com, www.orthocarecenter.com, or orthocarecenter@gmail.com. See you soon.